Alright, abusia, mami mo bibi akwa ba. Emfa umbra Mega TV FDKC eso. Abusia, the national chairman edema the new patriotic party MPP amanyuko no. Ora Stephen Ayensu Intim edi nsembia tudwa. Na ye na yenim edweso die esi adane Tuesday no. They were MPP for esi twefa omobo. They were na enima ensi enkoye mfomo empo sanye sikatue bi ena ekoso a enka ebeye dimpa se MPP amanyuko no omobetimi anweni de city na mede bia meka se da adwuso by election na ekoso no me metianum no Mega, I don't accept the fact that say eco transparent and I say bibia transparent because always you can go for even ye ni hwe kra no ye di evidence bia no ye hu say member of parliament mu na oyi envelope every ne back pocket edi ama easy officials mo nso omogie se nka omo angidi anka ebeka se no easy officials nso kra no ombo ma election eco transparency and I say bibia area kama enti no ye betimi aka siebo aka say easy officials nso omo anye den omo anje bibia but ye hu say omo nso etimi ma all the envelope no to hono na unim ene Stephen Ayensu Intim aba abonten na nsema all kan na ne say sisi no ba bia duru no ohwede ye kwa MPP amanyuko no ewo se omokofa ye wuraduomi because ohwe ye wuraduomi vote ogada ya enye vote ketwa enti no ewo se ye wuraduomi MPP for ekofa no na ono Stephen Ayensu Intim no de beto no ho so obehwe se ye wuraduomi obetimi ababe ka MPP amanyuko no ho bio na mepese ebekoni kwakuti nsema Yura Stephen Ayensu Intim odi tu edwa bra election ko na wiya na omo granting interview na after that no yewia ebekwakuti the wise man Mr. Frank Adani ono nso edi nsembi ababontin Mr. Frank Adani aka nsembi yebekọ ne kwakuti Mr. Frank Adani nso ne nsema ono nso odi ababontin a odi ababetu edwa na answer na ebekọ no meso so be subscribe mo ma mi chi ba fo yakopon hira mo ma mi roye bi yakopon enyo kese yenko na yenko hwe ensema yenkuti ensema Stephen Ayensu Intim okae ye ba ye di dwumadi na aka ebetoa oso
and leaving the camp. And personally, as chairman of the party, I'm not comfortable. We should be able to bring them all back to the fold, the party's fold, so that come December 7th, there will be no surprises. We should be able to carry the Ejisu seat with ease as against what we are going through this evening. So that's my next focus, to make sure that the party is reconciled amongst itself. That's what we are looking at.
So is it that you are going to the camp of Aduomi, try to convince him and his supporters to return to the NPP?
That is the only way out. You don't expect Aduomi to make overtures to us. You don't expect him to do that. So as chairman of the party, I'm going to take that mantle upon myself.
Looking at the people representing Mr. Aduomi here, it seems that he has aligned with the butterfly movement now. Don't you think it will be too difficult for him to retain?
It shouldn't be difficult. It's a matter of, are we going with the butterfly or we are going with the MPP? That's the question they should be asking themselves. And I'm sure they will fall naturally to the MPP.
Now, the issue that people are raising is that the voter album for the NPP is not credible. Is it that you superintend over another election to deal with the issues with the voter album or what?
The credibility of the album, that issue has not been brought to my attention yet. because from the national, we don't get involved into the nitty-gritty details of the constituency albums. So if there's anything, we are now going to call for inquiry to find out where there are issues and try to rectify them.
With these issues in the party, it looks like the 2024 election will be a very difficult one for the New Patriotic Party. Aside the Ejoso constituency, what are you doing across the country to ensure that these issues do not repeat itself in the national election?
We have reconciliation committees at every constituency, at every region, and also at the national. We have reconciliation committees put in place for these purposes. So we will use this machinery to address all issues bordering on disputes and reconciliation before we get into the December general elections.
If there's any lesson that the NPP has learned under your leadership, what biggest lesson has the party learned?
There are always lessons to be learned, but unless you can you also point out some of these lessons to me?
Well, I think fractures at the party's front is something that is very obvious.
Party front.
Well, I mean, the reason why people are even going independent, your own people going independent and what have you. My colleague even just mentioned the credibility of the voters album, even at the constituency level and what have you.
I cannot say that all the albums in all the constituencies are foolproof. I cannot stand here and vouch. But it's not widespread. It is not widespread. If you find one or two places where this thing is occurring, doesn't mean all the albums should be rejected and new albums to be recompiled. No.
So abusia ensem no na odi atu edwa no. Na menche ho no. Meye quick ne yakọ akuti nsem a Mr. Frank Adani ne bia meka se opanyini we ne tim abobel. Yeka se obi ewo political knowledge, obi ewo finansa, obi wo sebinyansa ye de kan sema Yewra Frank Adani eye such person. Da yenko ti Mr. Frank Adani ono so ni nsema odi aba abontin ana nsema ono so waba beka yenti Mr. Frank Adani.
Atosa we edi. Yanko kwando paipo Canadian contract with the Panda government. Yeah, Danyame ase. Mr. Frank Adani, Mami Bisho, I didn't know MPP for be any eligibility, na MPP national chairman, you're watching issue. Hi, ma. Jamaica said, small boys are young. Now, Obia, many Benjibia, or a very small boy. Now, MPP for Omoye Madema, now, Omoye Ekonkaino. We have to say get a basket in two goes. I'm a factor here, Emma, we are for worldwide. We are for to USA for North American chapter. Cares is the TV. Our US. Now, Menchia on our own Canadian contract with the power of reform in the TV now. A year against by election are a cause. People Piara on the road said you were a dude in the TV. But on paper, on records, the NPP candidate, lawyer Patram Watson, in the deep. As I said it, you were due. This you call working. Now we NPP Liba, now when you're in a strong mood. So, now a year ago. Now, remember some brief analysis. Say, okay, MPP, but you say, Ashanti region. One of the constituencies that the top of MPP after Bantama, I guess so. So, about 80 to 90% of MPP, I guess so. And it's okay, Nipa, assessing Komotwaba, I guess so. It's about 106,000, over 106,000 voters, like I said, about to our episode. I it is also voice for now, TMP, The first case and your vote property and you so far to about. Okay. Less half or less than half and the Baba to about. And in a crucial election ahead, the strong vote see a movement to about. Is it not dangerous? Yes. I'm a chairman because it will be very dangerous and let them so as chairman. Urging the co-position. After vote property, I will go for about 90% of your own go for. I think I yet to amount the way in a good year that's 90%. To solve up to 55%. I just say, I can swap browsers. The kind of moment to allow. I can't solve about 2 hours so I can talk now. Now, the only 55% of the crowd. One, what the number? What did you catch? Cigar. What channel? Every polling station center piano more than 3 billion and the cover. Every polling station center at Edgerson more than 3 billion and the cover. It's a family. I get to the truth. Now, if you must be Yankasa, if you must get now, so Ankasa. Because there are some areas which if you want to check us here, you create 1,000. Which is another, which is another, you man 10,000. Yeah. It will be I say, hope for the most of one for me, we can receive it. Maybe I should show so. Nankano, or one pocket. Now, upon that, I will wait in a catch the winner. When I get 55% your mammy, when I would down what the senior so now in your also. 20 NPP for now, or 1 year there. Almost NPP winning at just so like a cricket, none of the put in my telephone. All men one kind. All of the looks. They don't look in it. Now, let's start time in this law. No, I would think about the other 2 talk by young. Jump for when you're doing. Why you are one party communicator, social media party communicator? What I want to send it. They are completely going to conversation. Someone to break it soon. It is a way NPP now would you be there? You someone national chairman, okay? The opposite way you saw what a yap for every. And yet, democracy, now a sentimental move. I am a strong word to go, and I want to discuss it. But the number 7 across the country, which is that. Yes, and that's just an internet to go to each other. Now, the strong way to just one constituency in the Shantility. Now, one about the whole 275 constituencies. It's when you said count, absolutely set your day free. And many Ghanaians are asking questions, NPP for we want before. The first thing can be prepared when you now. Then I get that to so helpfully. I'm with you. First, you come in now, and the teachers have strike here, with you. First, you come in now, and a post duty, kind of one to First, you come in now, and a better quiet thing. Not talk, drivers, and a talk, you're not your foot to me. You're not coming to be.
Answer I bet was on my main car same way. She Nancy wrong. Her back and forth akoso ewo transport union any ye aban no ni nyina ejina petrol boa omoto no wo eye kurum ha omutimi tu petrol a month no mutimi tu be 3 times yemisa se oye bosumi akatua kra oji akatua san a month no oji san se oye bosumi akatua a month no oji san oji akatua san oji how many times nti si den na omutimi tu petrol 3 times but aban ni enhwe enka ho asemo ni na mu no omunye sika edi ko election omunye sika the call election echo spread it. Amount of money minia Mr. Frank Airboss. What you say? Such amount of money minia Mr. Frank Airboss. Enye sika ketwa. Enti was such amount of money kurom ha. We have such amount of money, that quantum of amount kurom ha. Ena nurses omuntu yomoka ye. Last year about 70,000 nurses and omu fly every kurom ha. Enti misa se sankofo we na. They are going to add up their energy to the western part of the world. Enti de biano that country hono and I say America, UK, Canada hon ebekoswa develop na yenso ye hanom akoswa aiden abafom because yen painful no sebie buru sebie nyado omon dwen omine ho. They don't think about omine, always thinking about their party and their parochial interest because about to ya omukoye ni na ne se omusi lawyer go lawyer come. It is adia the mubeye bia. What I say? The mubeye bia ombehwe amase. Yewra lawyer Kwabena Boateng wabeye MP for a year edwuso ombeye. Ampanya pampa nkofoi etimi aye the mubeye bia ama lawyer Kwabena Boateng wetimi abeye MP no ankasa. Yento Mr. Frank nsem no so.
Aye ko kari. MP for you to ankasa. I won't be in the car. After a month, I am put to you, like I'm put to you, Uncle. But it's a yoga, there's one, I have respected Stevie. Willing 7 day, a day, Mecca. Yet, the I know. I will say, cut and people who are almost clean. I am when you do not by number 1. Another double of what woman. So, if I hijack it, like a home of the meeting point, I'm an idea of national tournament. Because you will be one of the best ever parties Ghana have ever had. Yeah. Now, who said the demeanor of your party in Tima? You want to buy money in your Tima. So, I'm not quite. The reason I'm a respected your party in team, and he's a very mature politician. In fact, on the time, I am listen, they know the fact, they hold the reality on ground.
Mr. Frank, we dear Mr. Asem we dear Mamenka. Steven Ntim, Nti, when I am Kwajuchamantin, or ya, a Drew, and maybe as he say, or say or no, what in party a Ghana for ancient them fee, you know, because and then Meti said about hundreds of people every ni party ni mu, and I say the movement ni Mamenka say any party. Assign up a back. Nina ni say Alan a chantro. Bra Alan no wo Akufo-Addo Baimu na sebi onyado dodidi na Alan yobi a odidi ewo Akufo-Addo Baimu because oji cabinet minister enti no na de ekoso a enye ade ekoso a na apro atete ase a na ye ka ho asem no Alan na ohuni sa enne ya Alan mudidi na ono ankasa fira manyoko nim no eko grantee interview ewo I think say TV3 and GH1 I stand to be corrected. Belemundi hifano wo make sanko for na ya ni sa sewa here any nanaba na mwanu but I think say GH1 any TV3 ana mistake kakra obabi omo wo enti omo bisa na question say ye den na nema we na ekoso no wanka o se ho no na oni sa ye embre na na se na oni sa chance no meanwhile no echiese wudidi why busy obian so why busy nso onkasa what na mecho na say it Mr. Frank Stephen Ayensu ntim yobi a bra Alan Kwajuchamantin omusisi no ewo delegate conference nim no super delegate conference no Stephen Ayensu ntim ba bontin be ka say there is nothing show say Alan Kwajuchamantin is going to do what going to withdraw from the MPP party. Meanwhile, no, also wakoti na ni fie, oni na kufia kushia. but Alan Babonti because when you Stevie Yinsun Tim be Bianca Simbian Channel. Enti Sam Trona Stephen B.D. Why any catcher? Enti Mr. Frank, what you say? But Obidi Becca say apart from that, incident in this Minyanti and once in Bia, but also a nipa, or Mama, why don't you speak out? Umpes obegu when you must know. Now umpes and Yama betofon. Why don't you come out and speak as a man? Why don't you come out and speak, Stephen, as a man? Anyway, Yentuaso.
By election. Almost a replica of the Gesson. Do not send off there and shut down yes so good as compared to a Gesson. Now you interview him about the meeting. Now you decide to MP to be with. Now, what you are fighting. Now, my inhibition not your fighting. You have to give me what I want. I have to continue. I should tell my inhibition very just say you're winning and I'm going to I want to hear specific thing. I bet you something of the winning. I never see me into me 20. What is it? Yeah. I said no. That's why I'm going to be here and pretend to lose you. The other one said no. To have me to him and I said, oh, this man is very intelligent. And on your national power, every election we ever go to piano, or get a grand way to do the task. And what I say, on your LPP for now, all minimum country, at the end of a young policy, at the end of a say, or say the now, this crucial election, what you make it up. I can't hear what before. Then I said to my after you do. Yakupon shout, not Yakupon will you get. But you'll be very quiet. And you have got the quietness of me weakness.
Media me wishing it dead, but me Mr. Frank, whether me know Yadi, Stephen Tim Eka home, or also Eka the Krukunu home. Or also Odin Trobi. What I see, Mr. Frank, I know there will be any perspective, but me never person me can say, on also a dintro, Yentuaso.
He may have his thoughts, but when it comes to intelligence, frankly speaking, he has proven to be there. He is one of the greatest politicians. But he is one of why. Okay. But he is angry. This is him, and he's not my fan. Because I'm here interview, grab what he did, I know. But based on the instances, I mean, in fact, I took 1 year to what AGM, now a winning 17 years piano. Let me tell you, so the man is very intelligent, the man is very smart, and he gets his part well. I get that. I'm not the one who follow, and then a mafia gang, you want to buy the money here, you don't know MGP,
Abusia ensem no doso enti wadaroma mamemfa wo ensi hanom ensem no edoso papa enti we eye Mr. Frank Adani ena oti se okasa no enti mamemfa wo ensi mesre wada bomodina na kire wadwen comment section nim like dwumadie no share na afoforo so enti me enya ebinhwe obade ne yadoma yebesen ehia Mediano mega, mema michi bafo nyankopon shira ma mero ye bi nyankopon enye okese makramo mo mabai.